a practical steps to adding magnifying zoom to images on WordPress. Keep watching the video and be applying all what we are doing as I keep explaining. Magnifying zoom image WordPress is a feature that allows your website visitors to zoom in on images, making them larger and easier to see. This feature can be typically accessed by your visitors when they hover over any images on your blog post or click on it, and it can be a valuable addition when the images or diagrams you included may be difficult to read at smaller sizes. As a result, in this guide, we will highlight 5 reasons why adding a magnifying zoom feature is important for your WordPress site, as well as how to add one using the WP Image Zoom plugin. How to add magnifying zoom to your WordPress website. Step 1. Install the WP WordPress plugin. The first step is to install and activate the WP Image Zoom WordPress plugin. The WP Image Zoom plugin is a powerful WordPress plugin that allows us to add a magnifying glass to our WordPress site images. Aside from that, the plugin has some pleasing features such as fade effect, animation easing effect, and 4 types of zooming: inner zoom, round zoom, square zoom, and outer zoom. In order to install and activate WP Image Zoom, go to your WordPress admin dashboard, click on Plugins, then in the search box type WP Image Zoom. Next, click on the Install Now button to install the plugin. As soon as it's finished installing, the button will change to Activate. Click the Activate button to make the plugin active on your site. The next step after activating the WP Image Zoom plugin is to configure its general settings. We will cover that in Step 2. Step 2. Configuring WP Image General Settings. Click the WP Image Zoom menu from your WordPress admin dashboard to begin the WP Image Zoom General Settings process. In the General Settings tab, you can check the boxes for the features you want to enable or disable. You can, however, enable or disable some of the features if you are using the Pro version. Since we are using the free version, we can enable and disable features such as enabling zoom on WooCommerce products, enabling zoom on WooCommerce category pages, replace the thumbnail on the WooCommerce products with the main image, enabling zoom on mobile devices. As soon as you have enabled the feature you are interested in, next, click Save Changes and go to the Zoom Settings tab. Step 3. Configuring WP Image Zoom Settings. Click the Zoom Settings tab, then select the zoom lens of your choice beneath the tab. There are 4 different types of lenses on the WP Image Zoom: round lens, square lens, inner zoom, and outer zoom. Step 4. Adding a magnifying zoom to your WordPress images. Sadly, the WP Zoom Image plugin does not automatically add the magnifying zoom effect to our WordPress images. As a result, we have to manually apply the effect to the image on our WordPress blog post or page. Click on any blog posts in your block editor to manually add the zoom effect. Then click the image you wish to magnify. Under Styles, click the With Zoom button just at the right-hand corner of the screen and then click Update or Publish. 5 important reasons for adding a magnifying zoom feature to your WordPress site. 1. Building trust and confidence. Customers are more likely to feel confident about their purchase when they can see the product in detail. For that reason, their concerns about the product's quality can be reduced, and the likelihood of a sale can be increased. 2. Improved visitor experience. Enhancing the user experience on a website can be as simple as adding magnifying zoom to images. With this feature, our readers can zoom in on images and see them in heightened detail, simplifying the process of examining products or other visual materials. 3. Improving readability. When a user has severely reduced vision or prefers larger text, magnifying zoom can make it easier for them to read the text or images. By doing so, they will be able to engage better with the website's content. 4. Lower bounce rates. When we provide visitors to our site with the ability to zoom in on images, it can help to reduce our site bounce rates. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who leave a website after viewing only one page. SEO is improved by a lower bounce rate since it indicates to search engines that users find the content on the site useful and engaging. 5. Modern design trend. An effective magnifying zoom can enhance the overall perception of a brand by making it appear more current and up to date. Practical steps to adding magnifying zoom to images on WordPress. You can improve your site readers' experience by including magnifying zoom effects in your WordPress images. Additionally, with the magnifying zoom feature, they can zoom in on details and explore our site images more closely. Unfortunately, there aren't too many free WordPress themes that have a magnifying zoom feature. As a result, adding one manually with the WP Image Zoom WordPress plugin is the best solution. This guide has shown you how to easily add a magnifying zoom effect to your WordPress images using the WP Image Zoom plugin. Firstly, we installed the WP Image Zoom plugin, then configured the plugin's general and zoom settings. After that, we added a magnifying zoom effect to one of our existing blog posts and shared a picture showing the result. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this detailed walkthrough. We hope you will share it with your social networks. This way, other interested users can benefit from it as well. Please click the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the following video.